Hey guys, it's Janaya the Maker. Today we're gonna make Rice Krispie. First, you need to grab your cereal. Then we're gonna grab our marshmallows. Then get you some butter. Into a warm pot, add that butter. Don't burn yourself. We're gonna come in with the marshmallows. Melt your marshmallows. Add vanilla extract. Then we're gonna come back with our cereal. Then we need some parchment paper. Put paper in the pot and shape it. Don't forget to wash the dishes. Hey guys, it's Janaya. This is how the Rice Krispies turn out. You can make one too. Ten out of 10. It's good. That's it for today. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.